Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your country or region in Amazon Prime so you can access content based on your current location. So let's get started. First, you have to open Amazon website and log into your Amazon account. Now, on the top right side, you will find account and list option. Just drop down it and choose your account. Now scroll down and you will see at the left side the digital content and devices option. Click on devices and you will see there are few tabs. Click on preferences and you will get country and region setting option. Once you click, now you are able to change your country. After updating, you will just click on update and you will successfully updated your country on your Amazon Prime videos. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.